If you're thinking about buying Thunder Prompts membership, watch this first because it might actually save you money. Most reviews won't tell you the downsides, but I will. A lot of people are jumping into AI tools right now, buying prompt libraries, ChatGPT tools, memberships, hoping it'll help them make money online faster. But here's the truth. Most people still don't get results. So in this video, I'm going to show you what Thunder Prompts actually does, who it's really for, and whether it's worth your money in 2026. Even if you don't buy this, I'll show you how this method works so you can apply it yourself. Short answer, it's useful, but only if you know how to use AI properly. If you're a complete beginner, you might feel overwhelmed, and I'll explain why. So Thunder Prompts membership is basically a collection of pre-written AI prompts designed to help you create content faster, generate marketing ideas, improve copywriting, automate tasks using AI. It's mainly for affiliate marketers, content creators, online business owners. Let me show you how it works. Step 1, log in. Step 2, choose a prompt category, marketing, content, ads, etc. Step 3, copy the prompt. Step 4, paste into ChatGPT or any AI tool. Step 5, generate output. Sounds simple, but here's where things changed. The real difference isn't the prompts, it's how you use them. Let's say you want to make money with affiliate marketing. Here's how you would actually use Thunder Prompts. Pick a product, JVZoo or Digistore24. Use prompts to generate YouTube scripts, create ad copy, write landing pages, post content, drive traffic, earn commissions. Now here's something most people won't tell you. You don't actually need this tool. You can do this manually. Example, instead of buying prompts, just ask ChatGPT. Write a high-converting YouTube script for product with pros, cons, and honest tone. Boom. You get similar results. The difference? This tool saves time, but doesn't replace thinking. Most beginners fail because they buy tools without a strategy. They expect instant results. They copy without understanding. Saves time, gives structured prompts. Good for content ideas, beginner-friendly to some extent. Not a magic money tool. Requires basic understanding of AI. Some prompts feel generic. You still need creativity. Monthly cost can add up. This is where most people get disappointed. Compared to free ChatGPT prompts, other AI prompt libraries, Thunder Prompts is better for convenience and speed, worse for customization and advanced users, beginners who want shortcuts, affiliate marketers, content creators, people who struggle with writing. Who should not buy? People expecting push-button money, people who won't learn, people on a tight budget, advanced marketers. So overall, Thunder Prompts is a helpful tool, but not essential. If you already understand content creation, affiliate marketing, AI basics, then yes, it can speed things up. But if you're just starting, focus on learning first. If you want to check it out, I've left a link in the description. Take your time, go through it, and decide if it's right for you. And if you found this helpful, and you like honest, no-hype reviews that actually help you make smarter decisions, consider subscribing, because I'll be testing more tools like this, so you don't waste your money.